So Moise, you can start sharing.
Okay. You can see it?
Not yet.
Okay. Quick question. Which city in Malaysia do you live in?
It's a city called Kulim in Kedah
Huh?
State.
How far is that from Kuala Lumpur?
5 hours.
5 hours? Okay, got you.
It's in
Big
the
Muslim
north.
population, right?
Sorry again.
Big Muslim population over there, right?
60% of the
Wow.
population, and the other are Chinese and Indians.
Wow. That's good though.
Yeah, somehow, yeah. Okay, so let's go back.
You can see it? You can see the screen?
Yeah, I can see
Okay,
it.
got you.
So
Okay.
so again, I would like you to first, the first step is just here. Come on this line, call our function, which is convert to asterisk, and return a string here and print it for us.
Okay. So we have to call our create asterisk function.
Yes.
Okay. Do we have to assign it to a variable?
Yes, or even you can put it in a print inside the print statement,
Okay.
whatever.
Print create asterisk and
Yes.
then something inside of it.
Mm-hmm. So you have to pass a number here, please.
Yeah, I was about to, 7.
Yeah, you can put 7. Yes. Mm-hmm.
When I open the GUI, there's nothing there now for radar.
Yeah, yes, but because there's supposed to be an error, because when you call the create asterisk, you didn't put self. So self is
Oh, yeah.
and please do yourself a favor and please comment the line that keep producing all these useless. So go to the class file, and there is one line that at the end of the init that we created the length. We keep printing the length of the dictionary.
Yeah,
So
it's the len one, right?
yes. In the app init.
Okay.
Yeah, go down. It's at after assigning all the dictionaries.
Right
Yes,
here.
yes, exactly. So just comment them. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Save and run, please.
Yep.
Okay. The indent that's in your class file. 110.
Right here. Oh, it gives this weird one every time you do this. Let me just do these comments. I think it should go away.
Yeah, the indentation is always a weird issue with the Python. So,
Oh, yeah, here it is. Okay, so let's see what the GUI says. So it says it still gives the number and up.
yes, but just the new thing that we can see here that we
You
have.
see the asterisks? Yeah.
Yes, so this is the result of your print. Can you then and instead of printing it, assign it to a variable?
Sure.
Okay, good. And then remove the word, the function print.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then can I would say, so now think with me. Now we have all the asterisks that we want inside a variable, right?
Yes.
How can we put that variable inside and show it inside the text here?
We would have to put it inside of the button.
Can we try? Can we try
Yeah.
to put this asterisk here?
Yes. So forwarding a button equals button. It would go over here, correct?
Okay, okay. I have to agree with you, but so just let me revise with you.
Okay.
So I want to ask you now, what is the function of the command? What is the function of the text portion of inside the button?
Mm-hmm.
What is the text responsible for, and what is the command responsible for? So each thing inside the button class, each
Uh-huh.
thing here is actually responsible for something.
Yeah.
Something is responsible for the appearance of the button. Something
Mm-hmm.
is responsible for the action that the button will behave or take when you click on it. So I
Mm-hmm.
want you to tell me now the difference between text and command.
So, like you just said, text is what it will look like, and command is what it will do, like the action.
Fine. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So text will change. This is a button.
Uh-huh.
So text will change what inside the button?
The visual.
Okay. The visual. So it's actually just to be. So if I put here xxx, if I want to put xxx here, I will go and directly and change whatever inside the text file. Is it not the text file, the text portion here?
Okay.
So
Yes.
this
Correct.
need to be changed, right?
Yeah.
So okay, so if I want to change the action that the button takes when I click on it, I have to change here.
I have to put
At,
asterisk over here.
exactly. So yes, please.
See. Okay. Oh, I see. I see. Okay.
Then run, please.
Yes. Yep. Oh, it gives 7 asterisks for each of them. Is it because there's
Perfect.
7?
Yes, because you fixed it
Yep.
7. So
Yes.
how can now we would like to take a smart step forward and say instead of fixing the number, we would like this number instead of becoming 7 to make it a variable number. And so okay, the number of ratings that we're getting here. So
Would rating go inside of here?
yes, we can put it inside here. Can you
Okay.
please run and see
Yeah.
what can be the Mhm. So can you
Oh,
read the error, please?
it's not associated with anything.
Why do you think so?
Because it's not. I didn't set rating to anything.
So
It would be
then
rate.
what kind of change we can do to be able to make it work?
Create a ratings variable, or should we do it with the
So where is rating defined?
rating? Is just one part of the ratings list, right?
Okay, so we are calling rating. No, I mean but ratings is actually part of the keys here, right? So in here it is a list of ratings, right?
Yes.
But and what we are getting here is a single rating from inside the list of ratings.
Correct. Uh-huh.
Okay, and so where is exactly on which beginning of which line rating here is defined?
It's not defined anywhere.
No, I mean it's defined here. No, I mean when you write for loop, it automatically
For
defines
loop
it.
is different, but it's not like defined outside of the for loop, right?
It's true. So
Yeah.
it is the rating scope, the rating variable scope is only start from here until here. Am I
Right.
right?
Correct.
So if we try to call rating outside the scope of the variable definition, it will definitely tell you it doesn't know anything about it.
Makes sense. Yeah.
Okay, so
Uh-huh.
are we able to make a smart move and try to change the position of that line
Yes.
and put it somewhere where it can really find the correct value of rating?
Yeah. Let's do that. So would I do it right underneath button?
We can try that. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so it's the same error, huh?
Yeah.
Why do you think so?
Cannot access local variable asterisk where it is not associated with the value because we're defining it within the for loop.
It is defined inside the for loop only, right?
Yeah.
So, okay, can we maybe then try to adjust the position again from 48 to somewhere inside the for loop?
Right above button, but indented.
Yes, definitely. Mhm.
Yeah.
So, why do you think we failed? Hmm.
Because we're
It's
asking
a
for it.
different error, huh? This is a
Because,
different error.
yeah, because we're asking for it right here and we define it right here.
So it means that we need to change again to a proper position. Okay, now run, please.
It kind of gives me what I want with the asterisks,
Mhm.
but it gives me 1, and then it gives me 5, and then it gives me 2, 3, 4.
I can see it, yeah.
Okay.
So it means that it needs some kind of arrangement, right?
Okay.
We need to somehow think of that, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so now what do you, how do you think we can arrange that?
Interesting. Interesting. Because it's just the fifth one that is acting up. It should be at the top, but I'm not.
Okay, do you think we need to make the change inside the GUI or inside the class itself?
Class.
Okay, so we need to go inside the class maybe and then think how we can make it really arranged, or even we can do it inside the GUI also. It's possible. Both of
Okay.
them is possible. So
Okay.
it's just yeah, it just there is two ways to go to New York. From you can go by you can go by airplane or you can go by by train or by bus
Yeah,
or yeah.
that is true. So I say, I don't know. This is such a weird era. I don't even. I actually am kind of lost right now.
Why? There's no errors anymore. You
Not
just
error, but like, how to fix this?
so again, just think first logically.
Okay,
Now you are getting the rating. It comes out from ratings,
correct.
and ratings come out from the keys of the dictionary. And the keys inside the dictionary does
Mhm.
not seem to be uh, sorted from
Oh,
small.
I have to go to where my
Oh,
dictionaries are defined.
it's one possibility, and another possibility that you can do it here. So we have to think of a way that we can sort the keys.
So, you're saying the issue is with the keys. Okay, let me see. Would you, so you just said sort the keys. So can we do exactly that and sort the keys in order?
Why not?
Okay. Where would you say is better to do it though? This file or GUI?
Um, Try to do it first in the GUI.
Okay,
Maybe it could be simpler so that.
okay. Mm, so do sort the key. I believe it should also go inside of the for loop, correct?
That's inside the for loop. So tell me. I mean,
Oh, keys
huh?
is right here.
Okay, and
Hmm. Oh, I can, since it's assigned to ratings, I can just sort ratings, right?
possible.
Hmm.
So you need to sort rating or ratings. This is a good question, huh?
Oh, you're right. No, I would do rating because it is particular like one item of ratings. Because ratings is the list. Rating is probably one specific key, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, got you. Okay. So but since rating is inside of the for loop, that means we would need to do it inside of the for loop.
Um, we can try to do it inside the for loop and see.
Is it sorted or sort? I think it's sorted, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sorted like that. Sorted or sort?
Okay, and why is it an error?
I know attribute sorted.
So
Hmm.
my question to you now is that um, it, we can sort a number or a list of numbers.
We would, it's better to sort the list then, right?
Uh, it's not about better. Are we able to sort a number?
Yeah, yeah, you're right. Logically, you don't sort. numbers, you sort lists.
Yes, definitely. So okay. So and where is the list? The list is a rating or ratings.
Ratings.
Okay. So how to do that?
So we need to do sorted on ratings, right?
Let's see. Yes, you can try it.
Okay.
So can you tell me why you chose here 42? Why you choose the line 42? I mean, I'm not
it
telling
wouldn't have
you.
to be after. I would just, you're right. But
Tell me.
the list needs to be sorted.
Okay. So
I don't remember what it was that sorts the keys.
okay. When we do sorted, what should be the output? Or even let's have a look. So the error is telling that the list object has no attribute sorted. Right? It's telling,
Yes.
this is what it's telling us, right? So
Yes.
what about if we try to write something like let me see. Let me see. So if we try to write sorted like that, and then you put the list name here, and
Okay.
then you say key equal integer, and you assign the output of that to a new variable.
New variable.
Yes, and try to print that list after you get it out so that you can confirm that what you have done is actually really working before you try to do anything else.
All right. So what goes before the comma? Is that just a dash?
No, not dash. You have to put what you want to sort.
Oh, which is
With the
rating.
list, yes. So you can write here rating sorted, and you just go down and write a line here, print
Rate.
rate. Yeah, just now for the moment, yes, just print rate.
Okay. So there's no error, but
I mean, now of course there is no error. It's just printing to us here.
correct.
So if we have rate as something that is sorted, so what do you think then? Should we um, should we use that in the for loop instead of, because at the moment ratings, it's okay, easier. Can you please go here down under this print and print ratings under here?
Under rate.
Here, yes, print ratings. Yeah, and run again, please. Can you see the difference?
Yes, I can.
So did you
So
notice that this is what is appearing to us?
yeah, so rate is sorted.
Okay, so now we need to use the sorted one to get the way
Rate
how it
goes
looks like.
here then, right?
Yes.
I see. Yeah,
Is it clear?
yeah.
That's good.
Uh,
Okay. So
I need this one.
yes, just remove this.
I don't even see the print.
And please, my advice to you, the word. So this, to me, you have to always use a meaningful, because these have marks. I saw already in their um, rubric that you have to really write a proper names and give comments. So rate have no meaning. So
Yeah, I'm
you
gonna change it. I'm gonna change it. Don't worry.
perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you know that, then it's fine.
Yeah,
So
like I usually make sure like at the before I submit that all the variables are correct.
okay, then tell me what is the next issue that
Okay,
you're
let's
having?
see. I think the next issue is in price. Let me just make sure. Yeah, so
But
we need
does
to
this match what
format a little bit.
the output? Let us try to check here.
Give me 1 second. I'm just gonna look at it really quickly too. Okay. So it should be with sort of like a range 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, but
E-
with dollar signs in it as well. And
Exactly. Yes.
for me, let's see. It needs to be sorted and it also needs to have the dollar signs within it.
So sorting, we
Yes,
know
that
that we
shouldn't
can
be
do.
the issue.
Yes.
Yeah,
But then, how can we get the range? That's a
yes.
tricky part.
So it needs to be something like, I'm just gonna put it here for reference.
Yes, I like that you practice that. That's
Yeah.
excellent. Excellent.
I
Yes.
started doing that a lot more. Like whenever I need to do a specific method, I'll just copy that I'll make that into a comment, like whatever
Perfect.
needs to be,
Perfect
yeah,
practice. Perfect practice. Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
So
So I think the key is to really understand um, what he write to you when he asks you to create that initial dictionary sorted by price. If you understand that in in details, then you'll be able to really put the correct range.
okay,
So
so,
go to page 2 in the project spec.
so mm, okay, I'm actually page 2.
Okay, perfect. So
Is
so
it better if I share it?
again, sorry,
I said, is it better if I share it?
I don't get you. Sorry.
Is it better if I share the screen or do you have it pulled up?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I have it already open. So
Oh, okay,
okay.
gotcha. No worries.
So but so on page 2, go to
Mhm.
paragraph 3 and check the last 3 lines in paragraph 3, starting from the other dictionary is
Yeah, I have it. Yep.
price underscore dict.
Hmm.
So I would say, yeah, okay, that's good. So as you can see here, Okay, so sorry, we have to close and open again.
Okay.